My dear children of class 9, hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to do exercise 1.2. Now, what is the exercise about? This exercise is a new type of exercise where you will learn what is the meaning of the root of the equation. Now, root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means the values of x, the solutions of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, since the power or degree of x is 2, so there will be two solutions. We have already discussed this in our previous exercise while starting with or giving you an introduction about the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation always has two solutions. Now these two solutions are called the roots of the equation. Now if x equal to k is any solution, any number or any variable or any kind of number, if x equal to k is a root or solution of the equation, then if we put x equal to k here in this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a k square plus b into k plus c, this result must be equal to 0. Alright, if x equal to k is a root or solution of this equation, then if I put x equal to k in this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then my result, whatever value I am going to get, that value will always be equal to 0. That will only be if x equal to k, that is k is the root of the equation. Alright children, so let us start with the exercise. I hope you will understand. See, in exercise 1.2 question number 1 part 1, they have given us a quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. You have to check whether the two given solutions x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1, are they the roots or not, or are they the solutions of this equation or not. So for x equals to 1 to be a root of x square plus x plus 1, this x square plus x plus 1 must be equal to 0 whenever I put the value of x equals to 1. Alright, this value must be equal to 0. So putting x equals to 1, we have x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 I have taken as LHS and this side as RHS. So in LHS I will have, in place of x I am putting 1. So 1 square plus 1 plus 1. This value is coming out as 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 3, which is not equals to 0, the RHS. Therefore LHS and not RHS are not equal. So 1 is not a root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, because I am not getting this value as equal to 0. That is, LHS and RHS are not being equal. Now again let us check for x equals to minus 1. Again the same thing, for this to be a root of the equation, this value must be equal to 0. So LHS we are having x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, RHS. So putting x equals to minus 1, we will have LHS minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole square is 1, plus into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1, which is coming out as 1. Again this is not equals to 0, the RHS. So LHS and RHS are again not equal. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is not a root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. So I hope you have understood children. You just have to put the values and check whether it is coming out as 0 or not. That is all. Next let us move on to question number 2 part 1. Here an equation is given to you, 7x square plus kx minus 3 equals to 0. The root of the equation is given, which is 2 by 3. Now for this to be a root of the equation, so when we put x equal to 2 by 3 here, this equation must be equal to 0, right? 7x square plus kx minus 3 must be equals to 0. So putting x equals to 2 by 3, we have 7 into 2 by 3 whole square plus k into 2 by 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now why I am writing this equal to 0? Because 2 by 3 is already a root. I just have to find out the value of k. So I am putting the value of x as 2 by 3 and equating this to 0. So this on calculation I have got the value of k as minus 1 by 6. Similarly, question numbers 2 part 2 and 3 is also there. You will try that as homework. Next, let us move on to question number 4. Here you will have to solve and find out the values of the roots, or you will have to solve and find the solutions of the given quadratic equations. Say it is given 3y square minus 20 equals to 160 minus 2y square. From here, I have just taken 160 to the other side and minus 2y square to the other side. I have got 3y square plus 2y square minus 20 minus 160 equals to 0. So 5y square minus 180 equal to 0. I have taken 5 common, y square minus 36 equals to 0. So y square minus 36 equals to 0 means y square equals to 36. So y equals to root over of plus minus root over of 36 equals to plus minus 6. Never forget to give plus minus in your class 9 standard. Alright. Next, in question number 2, we are having 4 part 2. 2x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 whole square equals to 6x plus 47. I have just solved this by a plus b whole square form. So I have given it like this, to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly here also equals to 6x plus 47. I have brought all the terms to the left hand side. See, I have just simply calculated and it is coming out as simplified form 5x square minus 45 equals to 0. So 5 whole into x square minus 9 equals to 0. So x square minus 9 equals to 0. X square equals to 9. So x equals to plus minus root over of 9, which is equals to plus minus 3. So this is our answer. So I hope you have understood, children, the concept. I will give you some homeworks. Please complete those and I will provide you with the solutions in the next class. Stay safe at home. Thank you, class.